I'll never forget that feeling. Sitting in my car on my lunch break, too drained to even eat, wondering, how do I work this hard and still have nothing to show for it? I was stuck in a 9-to-5 that was crushing my soul, and my bank account was a constant source of low-grade, gnawing stress. It felt like I was on a hamster wheel of worry, just one unexpected bill away from total implosion. I did everything I was supposed to. I got the good job, I paid my bills on time, but I was living in a state of permanent financial anxiety, where your brain is always just waiting for the next thing to go wrong. But what if I told you that a brutally honest look at my spending and a dead simple budget didn't just help me break that paycheck to paycheck cycle, but it was the very tool that let me quit that job for good? It wasn't about a sudden windfall or making more money. It was about completely changing my relationship with the money I already had. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system I used to build real financial freedom and design a life I actually love, not one I just put up with. This isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. Let's be real for a minute. That feeling of being stuck is suffocating. You go to work, you come home, you're mentally fried, and your own dreams, the business you want to start, the places you want to see, the creative projects you keep putting off, they all get shoved to the side. Days turn into months, months turn into years, and you realize you're stuck. Not because you're not talented, but because you just don't have the time or energy to do a single thing about it. And this is the big lie of the 9-to-5 grind, that a stable paycheck equals a stable life. For so many of us, it just means we're surviving, not actually thriving. And it's not just an entry-level problem. Even high earners get caught in this trap. As of early 2024, reports show that 48% of consumers earning over $100,000 a year are also living paycheck to paycheck. It happens because of something called lifestyle inflation. As your income goes up, so does your... My aha moment wasn't some flash of genius. It was a Tuesday afternoon, staring at my bank account and realizing I had just enough to cover my mortgage and bills with almost nothing left over. I had a good salary, but I felt completely and utterly broke. I was working for a paycheck, not for my future, and my comfort zone had turned into an invisible cage. I felt cheated by the very system I had worked so hard to succeed in. That was my rock bottom. I was just so tired of feeling like my money was in charge of me instead of the other way around. I decided right then and there to get brutally honest with myself. No more putting it off, no more I'll deal with it later. I needed a real plan, not another temporary fix. That's when I ignored all the complicated software and so-called life hacks and started building what I now call the brutally honest budget. The philosophy is simple. Your budget is not a punishment. It's a tool for freedom. Its purpose isn't to hold you back. It's to intentionally point your money toward the life you actually want to live. For me, that life was one where I wasn't tied to a soul-crushing 9-to-5. From that point on, every financial decision was filtered through one simple question. Does this get me closer to freedom, or does it keep me trapped? That mindset shift changed everything. I realized that to succeed, I had to...
Step 2. The Freedom Framework. Needs, wants, and your Freedom Fund. Once you know where your money is going, it's time to give it orders. Forget a million confusing budget categories. We're keeping it simple with just 3 buckets. First, needs. These are your survival costs. Housing, utilities, transportation, groceries, and any minimum debt payments. These are the non-negotiables you have to pay to live. Second, wants. This is everything else that makes life fun but isn't essential. Dining out, entertainment, shopping, hobbies, that vacation you've been dreaming of. Third, and this is the most important one, is your Freedom Fund. We're not calling it savings anymore. We're giving it a purpose. This is the money you will use to buy back your time and one day quit your job. Every dollar you put in here is a vote for your future self. Visualizing your why, whether it's starting a business or just being able to breathe, is what will keep you going. Now, you give your money a job. A great starting point is the 50-30-20 rule, but we're adapting it. Aim to put 50% toward needs, 30% toward wants, and a non-negotiable 20% into your freedom fund. If your needs are higher than 50%, and for many people they are, that difference has to come out of your wants. The freedom fund is sacred. You pay yourself first by transferring that 20% the second your paycheck hits your account. Don't wait. Step 3. Automate your escape. Let's be honest, human willpower runs out. You can't rely on being motivated and disciplined 24/7. That's why you have to automate the system. Automation not only saves time, it also removes the temptation to just skip a month. Here's how you do it.
Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a separate high-yield savings account. This is your freedom fund. Schedule that transfer for the day after you get paid. That way, the money is gone before you even have a chance to miss it or talk yourself into spending it. Watching that account grow, even by a little bit at first, creates a positive feedback loop that builds incredible motivation. This simple act of automation is the most powerful step in the whole process. It makes saving for your goal the default setting. It takes all the emotion and daily decision-making out of the equation. Building wealth isn't about a single intense effort. It's about consistency. And automation is your secret weapon for consistency. This system works quietly in the background, building your escape route while you focus on living your life. To make this even easier for you, I've created a complete downloadable system of the exact finance stability kit I used. It's got these 7 categories laid out and will help you kickstart your own ruthless audit. The link is in the description below. It's the first real step toward building your own freedom fund. So there you have it. Track everything, split your money into needs, wants, and your freedom fund, and automate your contributions. This system isn't fancy, but its power is in its honesty and consistency. It forces you to look your habits in the eye and align your spending with what you truly want out of life. This journey is about so much more than just escaping a job. It's about reclaiming your life. It's about proving to yourself that you are in the driver's seat of your own destiny. You are not bad with money. You just need a better system. Your budget is not a cage. It's the key that will unlock it. Start today. Your future self is going to thank you for it. And if this video hit home for you, hit that subscribe button. Because in my next video, I'm going to break down exactly what I did with my freedom fund and the very first steps I took after finally saying goodbye to my 9-to-5. Thanks for watching.